guys, welcome to my crib. Just kidding, I'm actually in Ikea. The room settings here are gorgeous. I'll give a quick pan round and we can have a look. I would so love this to be my lounge, it's beautiful. But we've come to see if the Christmas things are out yet. I think they will because we're almost in December when I'm filming this. So I'll take you for a look around and we'll see if we can find any nice goodies. First I'm going to show you this room. It's gorgeous. I love all these colours. This sofa is stunning. The light. And then you've got this little table setting. Beautiful. Oh, that's also cute. You can make like a little cocktail cabinet. Okay, let's go walking. It's a good idea. Yarn baskets. These trolleys are great. I've got one of these in our lounge for holding all my craft stuff. How much is it? €39.95. They're a bit fiddly to put together though. It's cute little gnomes. Oh, it's like a doorstop. I've got like beans in the bum. Let's see what it looks like. That's cute. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that winter frame. And I like these cushions are nice. Oh, lovely. So, the rug. I was beginning to think they didn't have the Christmas stuff out. It's not gone crazy on displays though. Anyway, we'll have a look. It's quite nice. Like a paper. Oh, they've got them in red as well. So you could have them all year round. You don't have to have them for Christmas. But I like all the lights. They're very cute. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's like plastic. A little winter scene. €10, $9.99. It's nice. Oh, that's nice. They've got this tiered tray. Didn't see them in the store though. It's very simple. They're cute with little Santas on them. Oh, it's real. By a real tree. $4.99. They don't look very healthy though. Didn't go crazy because I already have way too many Christmas things, and to be honest with you, I was a bit sort of underwhelmed by it. But I mean, what they did have was nice, but I would have thought, you know, they have those gorgeous room setups, like those mock lounges and kitchens and stuff. I would have thought they'd have made them more Christmassy, but they didn't. But anyway, I didn't go there for that. I actually went to buy something. So we've bought one of my sons nice shelving unit for his bedroom, which I won't show you because, yeah, it's got to be put up. But I did buy a couple of little things, not really Christmassy. Boys needed new water bottles for sport. They were like €2, $1.99. But it's really nice. This blanket actually feels really nice as well. Like a throw, $4.99, bargain. Okay, these are a little bit Christmassy. Lawrence loves the Vila, which are like the little fruity chews, and they're normally cars, and now they're Christmas trees. And then I couldn't resist one of these cute little hanger, candle, lantern. Couldn't resist one of these little lanterns. I think, I don't know, it was like €4 or €5, I think. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed having a wander around Ikea. The one that we went to, that's the one in Amsterdam, the main one. And there's plenty of them in Holland, they're quite popular. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next Vlogmas. Bye.